Hello everybody, Paul Trader here with the mid-week analysis. This is my analysis, not financial advice or anything like that, so anything I say here don't take for granted. This is just my analysis based on the charts that I trade personally. If we look at my video from Sunday and we looked at the analysis that I wanted to play out for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I was looking at this zone here and this zone down here. Possible retracement into this zone, possible retracement into this zone for expansion to take out the previous weekly high. That was the overall analysis and expectation. If we look at the charts, we can see that Monday just consolidated, didn't really do anything, hasn't come down at all, and then Tuesday just broke out to the upside to perform a Tuesday high of the week. Now, the thing that was interesting about Tuesday was it tapped into this gap over here that was based on the 1 hour chart way back. And then it hit the gap, also took out the previous weekly high, consolidated, and then we took short positions based on this setup up here. Now, although this was only a 3-to-1 trade, look at what it could have been. It could have been something fantastic, but it wasn't. Yeah, it doesn't really bother me, but it could have been. It could have been much more. Got my 3-to-1, so that's pretty cool. Price continued to push to the downside into today's session, which is Wednesday, and it's come down into this demand area down here, which is based off the 1 hour chart as well. So overall, it has done what I thought, it's just done it a bit sooner. So basically it took out the weekly high on Tuesday rather than Wednesday, and then it's just proceeded to fall down. So now the analysis going forward is going to be this consolidation around this demand zone based on 1 hour chart, and then it's going to break this 15-minute high, or I'd like it to proceed to break this 15-minute high, come back down, retest this general area for this 51.16, and then proceed to the upside for a Friday reversal into the Monday's Asia range. So that's basically all I'm looking at. Tomorrow's not looking that interesting. We've got unemployment claims coming out tomorrow for United States dollar at 130, so there's something that I'm going to have to watch, mainly because it's in the middle of my trading window. Friday is just, there's no real heavy impact news at all. It's just going to be a consolidation, maybe a stop hunt day on Friday. I don't even know if I'm going to trade Friday. I don't know if it sounds worth it just yet. Depends if this plays out, and it looks like it is going to be a clear reversal to Asia session on the Friday. But yeah, there's not really much to really go into about this. We've got a little gap here, which is adding as a confluence for it want to come back into the Asia range. You got this order block here, which is lying just above these equal highs, so price could want to take this and then proceed into this order block area. If we look at the 4 hour chart, take all my drawings off, we can see prices painting a nice pin bar at the moment, and then we've got all of this up here, this massive gap, which price probably needs to come back and rebalance. It doesn't necessarily have to do it straight away, but it more than likely will, and our analysis will come back up to fill 50% of that void, and rebalance price. That's pretty much all I'm thinking of at the minute. There's not really too much else to go into with GJ at the moment. It's all kind of straightforward. It's just a bit of patience and then just preparing for the next move to happen. So I think I'm going to end the video here. I'm just going to have a quick double check of the news. And then, let's see, retail sales, GBP, that shouldn't really have too much effect. 7 o'clock in the morning. See, because I get to the charts at 11:30 in the morning, GMT, shouldn't really affect what I do because the move should have already happened. It should leave a nice level for myself to trade off leading into New York session. Yeah, I think I'm just going to end the video here. There's nothing really that much to talk about. So, yeah, I shall see you on Sunday for the new week analysis.